Okay, so we're going to have a look at the forearms now. I'm going to do the same thing I did for the Iron Man Mark 1. So I slide onto my arm and it holds into place with EVA foam. Nice and simple. So here is one of the forearms, big and cartoon style, and they go onto the arms like so. Yeah. So I've already been playing with one. I thought this looks good. So it's nice and basic again. And all it is a piece of foam pushed in there, the top and bottom cut off. And then what I was going to do is use the bits off the end to glue across, so when my arm slides in it clamps. So I'll put my arm through some of them. Folded it over. Like this, but without. They're going to be glued. They're going to be glued in. Now remember, if you've been using your silicone mats for heating stuff up, it's not a chopping board. You always make sure your blades are sharp before cutting foam, or they go all bobbly. Once you've got this in its place, and we've worked out how it's going to go, I won't be able to drink a pint. It's all about standing and posing by the looks of it. It's all about standing and posing because it looks cool on, yeah. But like with Iron Man, if you saw my Iron Man Mark 1, that was the big problem. And Robocop, actually, because Robocop, I couldn't spin my gun. I could hold my arms up and down, but I couldn't spin the gun because of my gloves. Iron Man, I was supposed to press my rocket, but with both my arms and my chest on, I couldn't. So, the same again. So it's looking like the bottom is nice and done, as it were. The top needs some bands putting across. No. I don't have any contact adhesive. That stuff's the best for this sort of thing. So I'm going to want to hold it to there. I should really check inside here first. So we're looking at 4. I believe. Oh, and he does it on his silicone mat. I'm so stupid. Thinking a couple of these, obviously I can't. There's 4, wasn't it? Oh, my silicone mat, you idiot. something in here, you see, that my arm will slide into and hold into place. There we go. So here we go. We're going to go and get the rest of the pieces of the costume. So I live in Jersey and I have to go past France, across the sea to Bournemouth. There we go. There's some very good cosplayers in Bournemouth. And then I have to go all the way up the country for 10 hours 49. So there's the blue line. And I will go all the way. This here, by the way, I call it the world's biggest cul-de-sac. You see this road here? The only road in and out. If there's a car crash on here, you get stuck. Alright, and then I am heading to Barrow in Furness, which is here. Dun, dun, dun. And it's automatically putting me in the Holiday Inn Express. I didn't realise I needed a hotel for that. Do people actually go on holiday to Barrow? I don't know. Hi, so I've arrived at... I've fallen down a 3D printing rabbit holes place. That's his username. And he's been printing parts of the Iron Man costume. This is the last piece. Part of the cod piece. Makes me realise that my waist and stuff is nothing like Tony Stark's. I'm a little more chunky, but we're just in time to see the end. That's okay. So, how he's got his creativity to work, because I've given up. Oh, I didn't bring it with me. I was going to bring it with me. Yeah, he's got lots of 3D printers. There's printers in there as well. And printers. All these printers. But funny enough, my favourite printers, these ones, and his peruser is just sitting here. Why is this one not doing anything? Maybe he doesn't want it. Maybe it's a gift for me. Oh, maybe it's just maybe he's giving it to me. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's so nice of you.